Jay came up with this amazing idea of taking the endo board and using it right here for a nice little photo op.
Oh, that might be hard. You might want to test it.
Oh my god.
You gotta break it down first.
Yeah,
There, now let us smooth it out for you.
thanks. Appreciate it. Wait, here, hand me the GoPro. Alright.
That was so funny. Did you get a video of that?
I did, yeah. I heard your walrus laughing. I think it was cool. It was cool. Wow. It was badass.
Super badass. I want to hear more about it from like a scientific standpoint.
I know, I think we should have read those little things. Those little info.
I wish like little families read those.
I know.
Wait. Making dinner? Chicken and rice style? What's up? I don't trust this.
It's a little jerry-rigged.
Oh, I need to take my shoes off or something.
Cheers. So right now, me and Connor, we're hiking Mount Hood. We're trying to make it to, I think it's Palmer on this hike. And then once we get to the top, we're gonna ski down. But right now,
All this for one run, man.
all this for one run. But we're only a couple minutes into the hike and I'm dead already. Right now we're about halfway up. We got a little bit more to do. As you can see, that up there is our final destination. Once we get out there, we're gonna throw our ski boots on and then we're gonna ski down this run right here. So, look at that big cloud formation coming towards us. It's coming around the mountain over here too. So hopefully it just blows over. It's nothing too bad. Oh man, it's getting dark now. Oh god. We made it. We got our ski boots on, got the skis out. It's time to ride down this thing before this huge storm comes, as you can see. So we're coming on a time crunch. We gotta get moving before this thing actually hits us. Yeah, the weather changed so bad since we got up here. Now we can't see a damn thing anymore. Oh, no! Alright, buddy. This is gonna be a cold ass ride. Alright, dude. Let's get it. Let's get it. So chunky in here. Straight pizza in right now. There we go. Finish. Look at that. The parking lot right there. Heck yeah, dude.
Come on, there it is.
Hey, boom. Thanks for tuning in for this adventure. Until next time.